We've been lied to about death. In the modern garden, we've been taught that if it's yellow, it's gone. If it's wilting, it's a failure. We've become a disposable generation, tossing living things into the bin because we don't see an immediate return on our investment. But your plant isn't dead. It's just lonely. It's sitting in a silent city, waiting for a signal that the world is still alive. Today, I'm going to show you how to send that signal. We're making the resurrection drench. Look at this. To you, it looks like dirt. To a botanist, this is a graveyard. Think of your soil as a bustling metropolis. Beneath your feet, there should be millions of microbes, the construction workers of the earth. They break down minerals, they fight off disease, and they hand-deliver water to the roots. When we use synthetic blue water fertilizers, or let the sun bake this bare, we kill the workers. The city goes dark. You can pour all the fertilizer you want on top, but there's no one left to carry it downstairs. Your plant is starving in a house full of locked doors. We aren't going to the store. We're going to the source. This is the recipe that the system doesn't want you to know, because it costs less than a cup of coffee.
First, we need the soul, the inoculant. We need a starter culture, just one handful of life. Take the richest, darkest compost you can find. This is the seed for our microbial city. Second, we need the fuel. 1 tablespoon of unsulfured molasses. This is pure carbon energy. It's the electricity that wakes the workers up. Third, the breath. We stir this vigorously to fold the sky into the water. Life needs to breathe. Now, we wait 24 hours. We're brewing a storm of life. Nature has a built-in safety manual. It's your nose. If this smells like a fresh forest after a rainstorm, you've captured lightning in a bottle. Apply it immediately. But if it smells like a swamp, like rot, stop. That means the wrong workers took over. Throw it on the compost pile and start again. In this garden, we only invite the light. When you apply it, don't drown the plant. Use a ratio of 1 cup of our drench to 4 cups of rainwater. Pour it directly at the drip line as the sun sets. Let the microbes settle in under the cover of the cool night. You won't see a miracle tomorrow, but in 3 days, look at the shoulders of the leaves. Watch them lift. That's the sound of the city waking up.
We don't just fix plants here at Evergreen Garden. We fix our relationship with the earth. We stop being consumers and start being stewards. If you have a plant that everyone else told you to throw away, don't. Give it one more sunset. Give it the drench. If you believe that nothing is truly beyond saving, hit that subscribe button. Let's grow something that lasts. What's the oldest plant you've ever saved from the brink? Let's celebrate the survivors in the comments. Keep your hands dirty. Keep your heart green.